So look at this. Someone gifted me with a beautiful cast iron pan with a cover. The brand is Cuisinel. I'm not familiar with the brand or the pan, so I figured let's open it up and take a look at it together. So come on, let's get busy and do that. So I'm Cecily from Cecily on Point, and if you know anything about me, you know I love cast iron pans. So this is a great thing that I'm looking forward to unboxing and seeing what it's all about. I'm not familiar with the brand Cuisinel, but maybe some of you are. So let's learn together what they give you in the box. Let's go unbox. So this is the fun part. Let's take it out of the box. What I love about this so far is that it has a cover. That's not something that comes frequently with cast iron pans. You just don't always get covers. So that's the first thing I'm liking about this. And if you like what you see here and this video, make sure that you like and subscribe and come back frequently, because I'm always doing something with cast iron pans. Okay, so let's look. Oh, look at this cover. This is pretty cool. Oh, wow. It's a nice tempered glass cover. And it says safe up to 350 degrees, which is great because that's your average baking. Usually you're not going to put these in, but what's nice about this is kind of rubberized here, but that this can go into the oven up to 350 degrees. That right there is a plus. I like that a lot. So now let's look at the pan. You already see what I like about this pan. Look at what it's including. This is fantastic. Look. The safeties, the silicone safeties for the handle so that you don't burn your hand. This is a nice thing to come with the pan. Usually it's something that you have to purchase. So that this is coming with the pan, that's a plus right there. And look, it's even telling you, getting a free scraper. This is fabulous. You know that when we clean our pans, what you have to do usually to really get all of the stuff out before you wash it, to get a scraper like this is pretty cool. I like that a lot. Very thoughtful of them. Now let's look at all this paperwork that they have, because they seem to have a lot of paperwork to tell us more about this pan and this company. Now this is really cool. They give you a little manual that tells you all kinds of things about the pan. First of all, it has an unlimited lifetime warranty, which is great. And then inside, what I really like is they actually have an introduction. They tell you about what foods to cook first, cleaning, giving you tips on cleaning. And what I love most is troubleshooting. Who puts something like that in about troubleshooting, about if you're having a problem? It says foods get stuck to cookware. Heat is not distributed evenly. It starts to rust. All of these great tips that you need to know. The seasoning begins to flake. All of that is in this little manual that they're giving you free. That is a plus. So I might not be familiar with Cuisinel, but I so far really like the warranty, the limited warranty for life, and I love the troubleshooting, and I love that they're suggesting to you what foods you should cook first. Those are all really great things. And look at this. It also has a number on it so that you know which number it is. And it's got a website so that if you need to go to the website and ask any questions or, you know, anything at all that you have, you can go to their website. And it even says here, what's the reason you season? I love this. This is really great. And then finally they have here, what do I cook first? Now this is invaluable for them to give you this and say what you cook first. You can't beat that. You really can't. You cannot beat that. I really, really like that about this pan. And just to read to you what it says here, it says, our cast iron is pre-seasoned with vegetable oil. We recommend first cooking with ingredients high in fats, like oil or butter, and be sure to heat it up for at least 5 minutes before cooking. All the stuff that I've already told you. But it's nice that they include that in their pan. That's really kind of cool, along with the scraper. Now let me hold the pan up so you can really get a good look at it. It's a really nice pan. Look at this. And it's got the spouts on either side, which I really love. And then on the back, it's got its branding on the back, which is terrific. And it's got decent weight. It's not like super, super heavy, but it's not that nouveau light. It's really got a nice weight to it. The other thing that I like is the surface. It's not the glass surface, the super, super smooth surface, but even though it's got the little bit of the rough surface that most new cast irons have, it's not as rough as many usually are. So this is really, I mean, just rating it from the unboxing, feeling it, seeing all of the things that they give you for free and tell you about them, that they're standing behind their product. I really like this so far. I really do. And I'm really looking forward to trying it out and cooking. So that all said, you know what? I like what I got in the box. I love that they gave us the hot silicone sleeves. I love the free scraper. And I really love the little manual and the limited lifetime warranty. This is really something you're just not going to find with everyone. So I think once I put it to the test with my other cast iron pans and see how it reacts, I think this is going to become one of my favorites. Easy to handle, like the size, a little bigger than the other ones that I have. Really terrific. Love the back branding. I think this is a keeper. So if you're not familiar with Cuisinel, as I was not, look them up, go to the website, and see if you can find one of their pans to enjoy. And how can I forget? Oh my goodness. How can I forget? The cover. It came with a cover that we can put in the oven up to 350 degrees. If nothing else, this is what sells this piece. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning all about Cuisinel, and I hope you're enjoying all of your cast iron pans. And if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to come back, subscribe, like, and come back and see me. I'm always doing something with cast irons. But in the meantime, I'm going to put this to the test with my legacy pieces and see how it is, and I'll see you real soon. Take care. Bye.